guys, it's Blanca and we are here in Disney Springs. So one of our favorite treats from Epcot is the Steamed Buns in Japan during Food and Wine. And we found out that they sell them here at Disney Springs. The place is called Jasaki, and we're gonna see if that's open today.
Jasaki is located right off the orange parking lot in Disney Springs. You just walk straight down and you will see it. It is located next to Wetzel's Pretzels. It is home to our favorite chicken steamed buns that are normally found during Food and Wine Festival at Epcot. And we also had to get a Sapporo Black.
Here it is, our chicken bun.
Nice and hot, sticking to the bag. Alright, get that cracked open. Oh yeah.
Yes.
I already took a bite, but even before the first bite, 5 out of 5. These are always delicious.
This is the best. Cheers.
Alright.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. So there's no steamed bun to show because it's already in my belly, and it's 5 out of 5 amazingness. And this beer, Sapporo Black, is delicious. A lot of people are waiting in line for Wetzel's Pretzels, but they're missing out because the real place to eat here is Jasaki.
From Yasake, we went to Morimoto Street Food, which is located on the side of the Morimoto restaurant right next to Gideon's. And they have some quick service food. And of course, we had to try their pork steamed buns.
Danny's gonna open the bun. Here we go. So we're trying the 2 steamed buns in Disney Springs. This one's the pork steamed bun at Morimoto's Street Food. And we already had the chicken steamed bun. All right, let's see which one's better.
Steam and happiness coming out. So after trying the 2 of these, this one feels like it has more breading to filling ratio on there, but still absolutely delicious. Both of them are 5 out of 5s, perfect items on here. This one's coming up for $7, the other one's going for $6. So chicken, pork, really whichever one you're into, that's the one you want to do. But both of them delicious, both worth eating. Finish this up.
We love trying steamed buns. It's probably my favorite meal. I think Danny
It's one of our happy meals.
Love everything. I think Danny, last time we came to Disney Springs, knew that this place had steamed buns, but we never tried it because it's still closed. But we knew the Japan steamed buns were here at Jasaki. That one was a chicken steamed bun. This one's a pork steamed bun. And I'm going to have to give it, I love pork, but I'm going to have to switch this chicken steamed bun. I feel like it has a little bit more flavor. And although this is a little bit bigger, it's also $1 more. It has more steamed bun than stuffing. So the other one is a good ratio, steamed bun and stuffing. So this is good. And then we're trying this beer, the Yuzu Lager here, and over there we have the Sapporo Black. You like it?
Yeah. It's like a weed.
I'm gonna say the Sapporo Black is better than this one, but it's still good. We also got a better deal there. I think we got 2 steamed buns for $6 each, plus the Sapporo. And we paid like $20-something. Here we got 2 steamed buns and 2 beers. Sapporo comes in a large can. This was just draft, and we paid like $40 here. So if you want 2 steamed buns and a nice little beer, I recommend the other place. Although Morimoto is still delicious.
Our winner for who has the best steamed buns in Disney Springs is by far Jasaki. We thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like. And remember to be kind always.